slaughtered and starved to death from the British government, because that's who did it. The British government starved over 3 million children between 1967 and 1970. And you sit behind them doors and you know what's going on. Exactly the same is going on now to innocent people, but you cover it all up because you don't want the normal average person to know what's going on. Children are being murdered. Mothers are being raped every single day in southeast Nigeria, and you keep quiet. Catriona Lang, the High Commissioner in Abuja, doesn't give a damn. She continues to have meetings with the Fulani regime that is killing its people. You don't give a damn. You don't give a damn about innocent people killed every single day. And yet one person who tries to free his people is held in detention illegally. He's a British citizen. A British citizen. Why do we not hear about that? I thought we cared about British people. You don't give a damn. You don't give a damn because money is everything. Money and power is everything. People talk about third world governments being corrupt. This government is the most corrupt government on earth. Yes. The most corrupt government on earth. Yes. And everybody across the road there waiting to see 10 Downing Street. Why do you want to see 10 Downing Street? Why do you want to see 10 Downing Street that holds the most corrupt people on earth? Free Mazi Nnamdi Kanu. That should be one of your main priorities. Free your citizen. Because at the moment you are doing nothing at all. And we have had enough of this. All hail Biafra.